Hey there, kiddo! Let's talk about the solar system. The solar system is made up of the Sun and everything that orbits around it, including 8 planets, asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets. The 4 inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, while the 4 outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun is at the center of the solar system and it gives us light and heat. Now, let's make a model of the solar system. Here's what you'll need. Styrofoam balls are small plastic balls of different sizes. Paint or markers in different colors. String or wire. A hanger or something to hang your model from. Here are the steps to make your solar system model. Paint or color the styrofoam balls to represent each planet. For example, Mercury can be gray, Venus can be yellow, Earth can be blue and green, etc. Cut a piece of string or wire to the length you want for each planet's orbit. You can look up the distances of each planet from the Sun to get an idea of how long each string should be. Tie one end of each string or wire to a planet ball and the other end to the hanger or something to hang your model from. Hang the hanger and adjust the strings so that the planets are in their correct positions relative to the Sun. Admire your awesome solar system model! I hope these instructions help you create a great solar system model to show off in your video project. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.